the bid and the ask price. So let's go to our chart. You can see so we're talking about the bid and the ask price. So I want you to just like listen, okay? Because when we keep go juganya, so you try to grab. So let's give a line here, because I will still go to my MetaTrader 5 to show you in essence what this thing means, because when we can cut it back, so this is a line drawn line. This one on top is the ask price, okay? This is the ask price. This one is the bid price. So I will tell you what it means. I might not write it because there is the line, this board is not big. This noteboard is not big for me to write what I want to write. Okay. So what is the bid price? What is the bid price? The bid price, please ignore the noise. So this man is building something here, so it will be distracting. So when we're building maybe after Maya that place, so there will be noise. Please ignore the noise, okay, if you hear it. So the bid price is the price, okay, is the price the market is willing to buy a particular currency from you, a particular currency pair from you. The bid price is the price the market is willing to buy a particular currency pair from you. Vice versa. What is the ask price? The ask price is the price the market is willing to sell a particular currency, a currency pair to you. Okay, you can see this bid and ask price. The price are not the same. You understand? There's a difference, and that difference is called a spread. Need it here by a gap due to the price and price and the difference between this place and this place now. I call of man on here big hotel of man and MetaTrader 5. Okay, this place cannot spread. This distance cannot the gap cannot spread. What is spread? Spread is the cost of transaction of each currency pair. You place an order, okay? Is the cost of any or each currency pair, okay? CP you trade. That cost, because each and every order you placed, the cost of each transaction of each of a currency pair order you take is if you buy or sell. Like let's take for instance, I'm trading Euro USD. Okay? Euro USD. And I want to buy this pair now. The price will be executed at the bid price, because that is the price the market is willing. The price at that particular moment is the price the market are willing to buy that particular pair and currency pair from me. The bid price will be the price that we executed. You remember what I told you? The bid price and ask price are different. On your gap. Here hot you from Ghana MetaTrader 5. Okay. Ega and other brokers now. Let me give you an example. I'm trading like the broker I'm using the Reeve now. You feel they use SNES to verify your account. SNES now. That is another different broker. They have XM. They have FBS. So this deriv now. When we get the spread now, that is different between the ask price and the bid price. Might be smaller now. In Ghana SNES now, the bid and the ask price make the two like like the gap are little more obvious between the other broken we get gap brought like this from here to here. If you not katunka this deriver, so about bro ask price, about bid price, depending on the broker you're using. That is why how these people make money, how this broker make money is from this your spread though. It's from this the bid and the ask price. This commission they take that bid and the ask price. The difference between the bid and the ask price being the spread. That's more money they take. That is why if you place a particular position, either you are buying or selling, there is a small money they take from you. Assuming you are trading with $10. It's yes buy before or tably before none profit. Oh, we can win a nanoseconds of loss. So we can put 0.01 or another 1 cent for each transaction. That is that spread, the cost of each transaction in a trade Euro USD and each or buy because there is a difference between bid and the ask price. That difference, but that money difference they are going to collect from you. I don't know whether you're understanding me. That difference is money. That difference between the bid and ask price is a money, but it might be small. That is that difference between the bid and ask price is the money, and that money is that spread. That is that gap between the bid and ask price. It's money. Assuming if you place a buy they will charge you for that particular position you put. That is that spread there. That is the cost of that transaction. It's money. Maybe the money is not even obvious, but it's just small thing. They collected small money from you, just small commission from you, small. Maybe if you're trading with $10, they will just collect 2 cents, 0.02, before you enter profit. Or make it 0.0. If you have here, that's a or buy you now. If buy or put or get direct 0.02 minus 0.02. You also get minus 0.01 minus 0.00. That is it. Only all the neutral before buy profit. You also gonna feasible 0.02 plus 0.03. If go on gonna profit. That small charge they collect from you, that cost of transaction, that spread, that gap is what we called is what we called the bid and ask price. Okay, that difference is what caused that bid and ask price. If I want to buy, price will be executed at the bid price. Then if I want to sell, price will be executed at the ask price. Remember, the ask price and the bid price, they are different. Price in ebe ask bid pricing on a price ebe ask pricing approve. Let me go to the Meta35. Here hot na in essence because I got the okay, this girl na. Okay, let's go over here. Okay, this is a minor currency pair. Okay, I'm using it for instance. This is a 1 minute time frame. Let me off my data so I had now worry. Okay, let me off my data. Okay, sorry for the noise. If you're hearing any noise, just ignore it. Okay, so you can see the ask price here is that red dotted line straight at the 0.59655. that is your ask price. You can see the distance before the bid price. The bid price is the blue one dotted, the green dotted line, that is 0.59650. 0.59650. You can see that gap, that distance. If na price then a bid and ask price that proof. This is money. As the price is going up, assuming like if I buy at this price now, I'm expecting price to go up. Do you understand? If price go up, I'm in profit. If price go down also, I'm in profit. Do you understand? So let's just take for example now. You see that the bid and ask price are not the same thing. So the gap between the bid and the ask price is the spread. The gap between this red dotted line and the green dotted line is the spread. Okay, for now spread that na this card Swiss franc na nga na other broker o make spread that editu nnukwu more editu more or pepe more. All depend. All can the broker say with ego say with it. So imagine them with thousands and millions of people trading. So imagine if they are taking a small charge based on the lot size they're using. Okay, imagine now they will use small cost of transaction for any order you take, whether by yourself, that order you placed that particular time. If they take it, do you know how much they are making a day? Apart from the loss you make, because if you make loss, they are making profit. Because at that time you are buying. If I buy here now at this particular place now at the ask price now 0.59655, someone is selling, and when someone sell, when I'm buying, sorry, when I'm selling at 0.59655, someone is buying at 0.59655. So it's either price go up or go down. Do you understand? If the price is going up, I mean that person is in profit. If the price is going down, that person is in profit. I'm in loss. Do you understand? I don't know whether I'm clouding your reasoning. So when you are buying, there is someone selling at the same time. That is why people are the liquidity. You say if not liquidity na I think na liquidity doeba. No, don't worry, I'll start editing my work. So I'm not appointed something. Buy me the more actual work, okay? Because this place I'm just narrating something for you. Do you understand? So this distance between this bid and the ask price, this red dotted line and the green dotted line, you see that the price are not the same. The reason the price are not the same are the spread. That gap not teaching how the cost of transaction. If I buy now, they are going to cost me. They are going to charge me from 0.59650. You go know it. Share you see we get also a ask price here, which is 0.59655. That is a difference of 5. I think this is the difference of 0.5 pips. They're going to collect a small charge, whether I like it or not. Okay, before I start entering profits. Do you understand? So that charge, that distance between the bid and ask price is spread. That which is the cost of each transaction I made in each transaction I made in each currency pair. Or no the eba na this currency pair, called the another currency pair. How much charge final collect? That is that bid and ask price. Okay, bid price. The bid price is the price the market is willing to buy a particular currency pair from you, because as you're buying, someone is selling. So if you're buying, if the market goes to your direction, fine. If someone is selling at the same time and the person sold or well by loss, fine. That is how they make profit. Both stop loss and this particular commission they collect. Okay, so I just want you to understand. Open the hot time, make a mara cover shit and cover shit again. Okay.